Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the data structure 2, stack with list. Actually, the stack is a concept. What is that particular concept? A stack is the linear structure implemented in LIFO. What is LIFO? Last in, first out. Means if any element in a list has been last entered, if deletion or display is there, that last element will be displayed first or it will be deleted first. So a stack is a linear structure implemented in LIFO, last in first out manner, where insertion and deletion are restricted to occur only at the end, stack top. LIFO means element last inserted would be first one to be deleted. Now we'll see a picture of the stack. This is first one is the picture of the stack. First element, the 5 has implemented, it has been implemented over there. Next, 4 implemented, it will be in the top. Then 3 implemented, 3 will be in top. Now if I delete, I will delete the 3. If I display the 3. Means when the display will be happen, it will be 3, 4, 5, not 5, 4, 3. So we have understand stack means one after another we have kept, and the which one is kept last, that will come out first. Now we'll see the code. I have defined 3 functions. 3 functions means one function for push means insertion, one function for pop means deletion, one function for display the element in the list implemented by the stack. Now in the push function I have passed 2 parameters, the list, item and the top. Now what is the function of the top variable? With the help of the top variable we are going to display the things. With the help of the top variable we are going to display the things over there. When we are going to display with the top. Because we are using the append over here, automatically append is going to insert the element at the last of the list. Top is used for display. Means from top to last. Means from top to 0 we are going to display that one. Now what will going to be happen? I have passed 3 parameters in the push. STK, this is the list. Item, this is the element which has to be inserted into the list. And top, we are going to change the top for the display. Why I have passed this as a parameter? Because these are declared in the, not in the function. So it is the out of the function it has been declared, so that we have passed that one, that these 3 values that go inside. stk.append, we know that one how to append in the list, because in the class 11 we have read the list properly and elaborately. So stk.append item has been entered. Now I have to change the value of the top. Len stk minus 1. Now you can ask me the why you have write the minus 1. Suppose in the list one element is there, only one. If I find the length, what will be? Result will be 1. Len will be show me 1. But the subscript of the list will start from 0. So 1 minus 1, it will be the 0. Suppose 2 elements are there in the list. I have taken the len. Len will be given 2. If I make it minus 1. So what will happen? It will go to the 1. We have understood this one, I think so. If it is 2 elements are there. 0, 1. Because 0 and 1 is there. But len will show me the 2. If I have to bring back into that particular 1, I have to minus 1, means always length minus 1 means the current position in the list. Now pop, This will be deletion. Push will be insert the element into the list. Pop will be delete. If len stk is equal to 0, len stk is equal to 0, because it will not going to be 0 anytime. If anything is there, if one element is there, it will show you 1. So stk 0, len is 0 means nothing is there. So print empty stack. Else stk.pop, what it will do? It will delete the element at the last, means in the top. Suppose 0, 1, 2, up to second position you have inserted, it will delete the element at the second position. Now what will going to be happen? We have, if after deletion, if the length of the stack is 0, then there is no other elements. So top will be initialized with none. None means it is not also the 0. And if it is not, then len minus 1. The value of the top will be len minus 1. It will take back to minus 1. Means if it is 2, it will be in the 1. Why the minus 1 always there in the len? I told you, because the subscript will start from 0, but the len will always return you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If one value is there, then also you return you 1, but the subscript is 0. Now the last one, the function, the last function, the part of the code is remain over there. Display. I have passed two parameters, the list and the top. If len of the list is 0, nothing is there in the list, so it will print empty. Else, what it will do? Top is equal to len minus 1. Print the first element of the list, and then it will start printing from the reverse, because we know that one, last in first out. If the last element has been implemented or inserted into the third position, means 0, 1, 2, 3, in the 3 number subscript, then it will start 3, display the element that has been stored in the 3, then the element that has been stored in the 2, then 1, then 0. So we know that one because we have done the reverse string, so we know that one why it has been done over there. Now the main part of the program is left over there. STK, what I have done, it is a blank list, we know that one. Top is equal to none, I have initialized it with a none. While true, until the break or anything is encountered, the loop is going on. Print stack operation, print 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for display, 4 for exit. Fine. So what will happen? Ch, this variable will take int input, enter the choice. If choice 1, item will be taken from the user and push function has been called for insertion. If 2, pop function has going to be called, and what will going to be happen? It will going to be delete. If 3, display the element of the list, and if 4, the break. This is the output of the program. This is the program. I run that one. Program is running. So if I enter the choice 1, what is going to be happen? It will ask me to enter an item. Suppose I have entered 2. Now once again I'll give the enter. Insertion has been done. How I'll able to understand? When I make the display. So I want to insert another one. So I have make it 1. Enter the item. 3 I have entered. 2 things have entered. So I will give the choice 3. 3 means display. I am able to see this one, 2 and 3. This 2 and 3 has been entered over there. Now I am going to press for 2 number option, means delete. 2 elements are there, 3 and 2 is there. If it is deleted, 3 will going to be deleted over there. So what is the option for delete? Option for delete is 2. I have entered. It has been deleted. Once again, if I display, I will be able to see this one. If I press 3, I see this one. 3 is not there. Thank you very much.